Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change font style in WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to make your text look different and good on WhatsApp, then in this video I will show you the options within WhatsApp and options available outside WhatsApp. So first we will go through the options available inside WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp app. In your WhatsApp app, open a chat window and here type a text. After typing text, select your text. Now to make this text bold or italic, you need to press on the three dots. Here you will find the option to bold this text, or you can italic this text. These are the few options available inside WhatsApp. Now if you want to send a text in complete new font and style, then you need to use a website. So I will open my browser. I am opening Chrome browser and here open website igfonts.io. Now here in this website you simply need to write your text here. Now after writing text, here you will find the options. From here you simply need to select the font, like I want to send message in this font, so I will simply select the text. After selecting text, press on copy. Now again go to your WhatsApp app. Now here paste the text. Press on paste and press on the send button. Now our text is sent in a new font. So friends, like this you can very easily use different font style in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.